are still talking about slope-intercept form here. What is slope-intercept form? Y equals mx plus b. Where m tells me what? Yeah, the rate of change, or what else do we call it? Slope. And b tells me? Starting value, or what else do we call it? Yeah, the y-intercept. Okay? So in some problems, you will be given an equation and then be asked to graph that equation. When we're given an equation and we want to graph a line, we want to look at those two values, the y-intercept and the slope. We start by plotting the y-intercept. Plot the y-intercept. Right, and that's at 0, b, whatever b is in our equation. So we plot the y-intercept, then use the slope to plot another point, plot a second point. And then using a line, we connect those 2 points together. 3 easy steps. Plot the y-intercept first. We know our y-intercept by the value of b. And then use your slope. And remember, slope is our m. And the slope tells us the rise over run. Right? And that will allow us to plot a second point. Then we just connect the 2 points together to graph the line. So again, sometimes we'll be given an equation and we need to graph a line, but then other times we'll be given a line and we need to write an equation. So to write an equation, it's kind of just the opposite. So first we need to calculate the slope. Calculate the slope first. And then figure out what the y-intercept is. So find the y-intercept. And then plug it into the equation. Hello? Hi. Can I see them over in like 2 minutes? Okay, thanks. Bye. So calculate the slope, right? Just use your slope triangle. And then find where the line crosses the y-axis. That's your y-intercept. And then we just plug that in to y equals mx plus b, where again the slope is our m and the y-intercept is our b. Okay? All right, so work through the check for understanding questions. I know you just have 5 minutes left, but use that time wisely. And I'm going to have you turn this into the inbox, and then I'll go over the answers tomorrow so we all understand. But I am going to check to see what you do in the next 5 minutes.